Hey guys, how you doing? This is Julian Lee, and in tonight's video I'll be showing you guys how to make money online with no investment. This is going to be a ClicksFly review, so stick with me guys. If you want to find out more about that, click the link in the description. However, if you stick with me to the end, you're going to be finding out about a really cool bonus that you definitely want to take advantage of. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me move my video here to the bottom right. This is going to be short and sweet and to the point. Okay, so now this website is called ClicksFly.com. Alright, don't go there just yet because again, like I said, stick to the end. I'm going to show you something that's going to be worth your while. Alright, so now this is just a URL shortener, guy, just like bit.ly, and I use it a lot. So you can actually go here once you actually have an account, drop the URL in here, shorten it, and as you use it, you actually get paid for actually using this thing. Okay, I'm actually right there on the page. Very powerful. Alright, so you create the account, you shorten your link, you get and you actually earn money. Okay, and you could actually make up to 150 bucks. Okay, up to 150 bucks per 10,000 views, just like it shows you there, right? Let me show you how that works. I'm going to show you payout rates real quick, and this is based on the country. And this is, you see where it says here, the minimum payout is $3. Okay, minimum payout $3, and weekly and monthly is a payment frequency, right? You've got Bitcoin, PayPal, and all the different payment ways you could get it, and it pays at different minimum rates is $3 per 1,000 views. That's what that CPM means, as you can see there. Now, based off the country is where they pay you per view, right? So of course, United States, they pay you 50 bucks, France 12, Netherlands 12, you got 11 there, Australia. Let's see, we got 10 bucks for our UK, New Zealand, and we can scroll on down, and you can see there it goes all the way down to Mexico. Okay, and that's how much they pay you per 1,000. Now, before you say, okay, Julian, okay, that's great, show me the money. Right here, they got the payment proof right on their website, guys. Okay, and you guys, as I scroll down there, you'll be able to see all the different payment methods. You got 220 there, 848 there, 241, 347, 252, 973, 378, 290, and it goes on and on and on, right? So I have to keep going through that, guys. It's pretty straightforward. And on top of that as well, you actually get to earn an additional 20% to anyone you actually refer to this site, and they're using to get traffic. You get 20% from that as well. Okay, so very powerful, guys. So let me log in real quick, and I want to show you something because this is important, as I mentioned. Stick to the end, guys. I'm gonna have something really cool for you. Okay. Now I just set up this account. I did this intentionally. I want you guys to see this. There's nothing going on in there. Okay. Right now, as you see this, there's nothing going on in there. Okay. But once you do set up your account and everything, the one thing I will say you got to make sure you do is set up your profile. Otherwise, you will not get paid. Obviously, as I'm recording this video, I'm not going to have all my personal information in here. I'll do this after the video is done. But I'm going to fill this out. So of course, I'll select my PayPal and I drop my PayPal information in there. Once I fill everything out, I'll hit that submit button. Then I'll be set. Then I can start using it and shorten the URL. And of course, under the statistics, you'll be able to see how many views you have for the day, your daily referral earnings. Okay, and of course, you got some more earnings there. The same thing for the month. All right, so you got the daily information, the monthly information. And you can see over there as well. And of course, your average cost per view. Or your average cost per view, because again, it's based off the countries I showed you earlier. Okay, and I'll be showing you guys exactly what I'm doing here to drive up my traffic in there as well. Like I said, this is going to be 100% free. Okay, it's not going to cost you guys a dime. All right, now this is the thing, guys. Here's a bonus, and this is why I said I want you to stick to the end. This is short and sweet and to the point. Okay, in the description field below the video, I want you to click on the link and go ahead and subscribe. It'll actually bring you to this page right here. Okay. You're about to start making money online with no investment, okay? Enter your best email in there. Don't put in a bogus email, guys. Put in your best email there and click on this button. Continue to step 2. Step 2 will bring you to this page right here, okay? And this is where you actually get access. This is my ClicksFly link. So if you click on it, it'll open in a new tab just like that. Actually, I think I have this one. I'll change it though. But it'll open a new tab by the time you get to it, right? And it'll leave this page up. But right below it, guys, as well, this will open, I think this is set to open a new tab. This is actually set to go into a private Facebook group, okay? And once you're in a private Facebook group, I'll be sharing with you guys how I'm driving the traffic there, what I'm doing, what's working for me, so you could go out there and duplicate it yourself. Okay, so that way you can start getting paid from this. Now, not only will I share, obviously, free methods in the group, I'll be sharing with you guys some other paid strategies of different ways to make money online, okay? Of course, I'm going to show you ways to make money online with no investment. I'm going to show you ways to make money online for free. And I'll be showing you ways to make money online for paid things as well. And of course, this is a great way for you to get some money so you could actually turn that over into something paid and continue to keep on building and building upon that, okay? So guys, that's the sweet bonus right there really quickly for you guys. And like I said, if you haven't as of yet too, if this is the first time you're at my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, drop me a comment and say, Julian, what's up? Let me know if you like the content, that type of thing. And I can always make some video on different content for you. It's about giving you guys as much value as possible, okay? So like I said, make sure from here on out, guys, click the link below, go ahead and get subscribed. Okay, you'll get an email there. You have the button there. You'll be joining. I'll add you to a private Facebook group, the secret Facebook group, because you can't search it on Facebook. And in there, I'll be showing you some additional strategies, what I'm doing to make money online. Again, free strategies and paid strategies and how I'm getting the traffic. And like I said, I showed that page to you, that account to you blank intentionally. And I'll be showing you some things that I'm doing there to drive some traffic, guys. So this is Julian Lee. Thank you very much. Much love and appreciation for you being here in the video. I salute you, and I will see you on the inside. Don't forget, click that link below. Get registered, and I'll get your bonus. Get in the private group. I'll be sharing as much strategies with you guys as possible and give you as much value. And as new things are coming out, so you guys will be first before I put out any other YouTube videos. You guys will know exactly what I'm doing in there, okay? So thanks again, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.